I, Sri Handama Mohilai, having been elected a member to PSC in the Council Legislative Assembly of the Parliamentary Council, this year in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as the law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and independence of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Subscribe an oath to affirmation letter. If the member is not pronounced correctly, it may kindly be excused. To sign in the register. Now the secretary will call upon